Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we were talking about filter method. Now let's implement this whole stuff which has some question marks and so we have to understand this thing. Let's close previous examples, close package. I'm going to create a new package here. New package com dot pack dot stream API. Okay, package done. Right click, new class, and then let's call this filter method demo. Okay, so one class is enough because I have to create multiple collections and run some API on it. So I'll just create one collection and then I'll keep using it again and again for different methods. So let's create a reference of list, and this collection is going to be integer type. Let's call it integers equals, and implementation will come from array list class semicolon and then integers dot add some random numbers. So let's start with 0. Let's add some 7 8 elements, some random numbers. Let's make it till 10. Not hard and fast rule, you can use anything. Just want to add some numbers. 1. Okay, some 1 to 10 numbers in random word, even if it doesn't matter. Idea is I want to filter out, you know, even numbers from here. Let's suppose I want to filter out all the even numbers. Okay, so first of all, as we have discussed in previous video, that use the reference then call stream method on it. Okay, so that's my reference of collection done. Dot strem, there it is. Okay, stream is there, but stream will just give you a reference so that you can call these much methods. So one of the method is filter. Okay, let's call the filter here dot filter, and there it is. Okay, what it takes, so we have to check its documentation. So filter takes predicate. Guys, we have worked with predicate, right? If you don't know what is predicate and never work out with any function interfaces with lambda expression, that means we have to go back to my previous videos and check out how function interfaces and lambda expression works. So I have to write here predicate expression, and then some collection has to be done. So but before that, without writing code, we cannot move forward. So let me create a simple predicate from here which says logic for even numbers, and we have done this in previously. So predicate here, predicate will take integers because the list is of type integer, so it will take integers. Done. And predicate has a method which is for, which takes some argument and returns the boolean value, that is test. So let's call p equals. So now we have to write lambda expression. That's right, guys. If you are working with stream API, you should be very like at least not, I would say, expert, but you should have a very good understanding of lambda expressions with function methods. If you don't know, I'll provide some link here so you can go back and learn what is function and lambda expressions. Okay, so once you have predicate, now you have to pass some expressions. So integers, so I'll just say I arrow, and the logic says I need to return even numbers. So module 2 and equals to 0, and that's it. Yep, so my predicate is ready. Let me format the code and I'll pass this p here. Yep, that's it, and you can see the error is gone. Filter needs a predicate. That's why I have mentioned it's question mark. What you have to pass? A predicate has to go there. Okay, that's done. And you can always check by clicking predicate. Okay, it's done. Now time for collecting the outputs. Once we have even numbers, so you have to collect it somewhere. So collect everything in list. So there's a helper class which is collector collectors dot to list. So whatever coming up, create a list of it, and now you can store that here, list, and I can say list of integers, and I'll say even numbers, right? And now what? Let's run before and after stuff. So here I'll say sys out, and here I'll say all elements, right, plus, and I'll attach list, that not list, it's integers, so integers, and in next I'll pass even numbers. Even elements. Okay, so it's done. Let's run the code and see. So right click, run as application. So initially we have all elements. Now we have a filter. So we are getting 0, 10, 2, 4. So from this list only 4 are from even categories. So that's how you can use filter method, guys. So still you have query question, feel free to drop your question in comment section. I'll definitely reply there. But that's how we can use methods on stream. So in next videos we will use all methods, actually not all methods, but most of the methods which are quite common to use, and we will see how they works. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video.